Do you understand all of that?
Yeah,
You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more, from April 20th of 2023. Since you paid bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to hire a lawyer?
Yes, ma'am. I got a court lawyers. Yeah,
Right. So what happens, Ms. Hill, is while you're in custody, we give you a court-appointed lawyer. But once you make bond in your case, I expect you to at least try to hire a lawyer. So what I'm going to do is reset your case for about 30 days to see if you can get a lawyer hired. If you get someone hired before your next court date, you're going to bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer, and they'll tell you what you need to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me the names of the lawyers that you've talked to when you come back, and then we'll discuss what your options are. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond, and you would have to go back to jail for not following that court order. Do you understand? Do you understand all of that?
Can I talk?
Yeah, I just asked you a question. Do you understand what I said?
Yeah, but the judge I talked to, he told me because I'm fully disabled, I can't get a court-appointed lawyer.
Right.
Because I'm disabled and I don't have no money.
Okay. Did you bring any information or documentation about your disability by chance?
I got my card and my purse and her purse.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What card?
Can I go get them?
Yes, ma'am. Need some water? Yeah.
Okay, this is, that's my piece of this whole thing. Wait, here.
That's probably what I need.
Okay. This is my, here. This is right here. It's all in here. All this stuff,
Okay.
all these cards are mine.
Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, Ms. Hill, I will find that you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. Let me ask you, are you driving now?
Yes, sir, I got this, I got that inner dock.
You do have the auto mission interlock on your vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That was a condition of your bond, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that's really dangerous. That's dangerous. Yes, it's dangerous.
What's dangerous?
The interlock
What's dangerous is driving drunk. So that's to make sure that you're not intoxicated. So
yes, ma'am.
you have it on your vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to make sure you understand you cannot drive any vehicle unless it has that on it. Do you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Okay. No, just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what you think is dangerous about that.
Well, when I was driving and everything, and I got in a lot of traffic, and it's only a 2-laner. And then when you're driving, I just got a new truck before all this happened, and it'll be beeping, it's supposed to be going on, noise and all the traffic going, and then it'll be beeping, trying to find this thing. And when you blow, because sometimes I can't blow so longer, then I have to blow 3 more times, you know. One time I had a law behind me, and it was beeping on that little smaller road, and I'm trying to find it, and the road is all banged up. And you got to
how'd you afford a new truck?
I financed it because when I didn't have one, I went to the dentist and I waited for over 2 hours and for them to come pick me up, and they did not, the Medicaid, Medicare, they didn't pick me up, so I had to start walking home. And the guy,
how can you afford it if you said you're...
I financed it. It only take like $200 something out of my thing because I wasn't planning on getting in trouble.
Right.
Because I couldn't find nobody to take me to the store or go to the doctor or nothing.
I'm going to do, okay, so before we go any further, I'm going to make sure that you don't have anything in your system today, and then we'll go, I'll let you know what we're going to do after that. So I'm going to have you have a seat in the jury box. I'm going to get you drug tested, and I want alcohol screen as well this morning, and then we'll go after that. Tested positive for THC, methamphetamines, and amphetamines. That's obviously a violation of your bond. And so I'm going to raise your bond at this time to $100,000. A condition of that bond, if you make it, is to wear a drug patch at all times. You can go back with the bailiff.
Hi, sir. Are you Dalton Batiste? Yes. And this is cause number 25 DCCR 1436. Mr. Batiste is charged with manslaughter. 25 DCCR 1437 charged with manslaughter, and 24 DCCR 0407 charged with possession of marijuana. The cases are set for trial to begin with jury selection next Monday. And what is the announcement?
A couple issues, if I may, Judge. Mr. Coleman and I have talked extensively, not only this morning, but in the last lead up to today, and there has been a new proposal put in front of us that I think we'd like to ask for at least a little bit longer than today to consider. I know that also Mr. Coleman has responsibilities to folks on his side to discuss it. Or we find this. Sorry.
Take a break. Why is this one? This one's not showing up on my. What is it? It's not on my.
Well, actually, I was trying to see it from me. He was speaking very difficult. But now it says Tom Kelly, so that's why I believe.
Oh,
Because I had changed their co-counsel and he was trying, I thought he was signing them out. Wanted to make him the time.
okay.
Couldn't walk the tablet.
Pay close attention here because this is where courtroom strategy takes center stage. The defense isn't asking for more time just to delay the case. They're signaling that negotiations may be gaining traction. Judges don't grant these requests automatically, especially when a trial is only days away. The court has to balance efficiency with fairness, making sure both sides have a real opportunity to resolve the case before putting it in front of a jury.
And then
You okay? You need some water?
I've got, you want cough drop?
Oh, I do have that.
I think the sinus is it's
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
No, it's fine. Well, okay. So here's the thing. There's only 2 defendants left on the trial docket for next week. So I need to know something today.
My other issue, Mr. Gertz asked me to say this. He is set in Judge Templeton's court on a case, Austin
Yes.
Jones,
Especially
that
that-
been tried previously too.
And that's next week.
That's next week.
Yeah, I'm not sure that I should have taken that into consideration. So obviously that is a specially set case for Mr. Gertz over there. And we've done a protection order for him to get that case taken care of since it's an injury to a
I
child.
understood, Judge. I think we're very close to resolving this case. Still, notwithstanding the other case, I
Okay.
still would like to try to push this case to get resolved.
Sure. So here's what I'm going to do.
Victims.
So what I'm going to do is just for a short time, take it off the trial docket, place it on a review in about 3 weeks. That gives you and Mr. Gertz time to visit with Mr. Batiste, Mr. Pullman time to visit with anybody he needs to visit with. And then if something gets worked out, we'll take care of it at that.
Today's hearing is a perfect reminder that every courtroom is different, but the rules of criminal procedure remain the same. One defendant left with a much higher bond after allegedly violating release conditions, while another walked away with more time to consider a possible resolution before trial. That's the reality of the justice system. Every decision